Ready with me, Redhead edition, using some of my favorite products from How to Be a Redhead. It's hair wash day, so I'm going in with Finally Glossy Shine and Luminosity shampoo for redheads. It has vitamin B3, olive oil, coconut oil, and green tea. Next up, I'm unpackaging the Soft Microfiber hair towel. This thing is gonna impress you. It is humongous. It's ultra water absorbent, helps reduce frizz, and is fast drying. Look at how perfect it is for my long red hair. A lot of hair towels don't fit all of my hair in them. This one has no problem, and the little loop keeps it nice and secure. Now time to move on to some makeup, my favorite. I'm using the Finally Have Brows Longwear Brow Gel in the shade Universal Red to fill in my brows today. For lashes, I'm applying 3 coats of the Finally Have Lashes Perfectly Brown Mascara that has brown with a splash of red. Look at that difference. All done, redheads. Now I figured you'd want to see a little before and after. So this is me before using the Finally Glossy shampoo, and this is me after.